What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the limits when you're dealing with intermediate form infinity minus infinity, which you need to use L'Hopital's rule. So in this example, the limit of 1 over ln x minus 1 over x minus 1, we need to find this one. When you sub it there, it's going to be 1 over ln 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 1. That's going to be 1 over 0 minus 1 over 0, which is infinity minus infinity. So then it means that we need to use L'Hopital's rule. First thing I want to do, I want to have the common factor, x minus 1 times ln x. That's x minus 1 minus ln x when x is approaching 1. Then when you sub it there, it's going to be limit of 0 minus 0 over 0, which is going to be 0 over 0. Then you need to use L'Hopital's rule. Derivative of the numerator is going to be x minus 1, derivative is going to be 1, minus derivative of ln x is 1 over x, divided by derivative of x minus 1, which is 1 times ln x, plus x minus 1 times 1 over x. Limit when x is approaching 1. That's going to be 1 minus 1 over x. And here we're going to have ln x plus x minus 1 over x. And x is approaching 1. That's going to be 1 minus 1 over ln 1 plus 1 minus 1 over 1. Again is 0 over 0. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply x by numerator and denominator. So it's going to be limit of x times 1 minus 1 over x divided by x times ln x plus x minus 1 over x. That's going to be x minus 1 over x ln x plus x minus 1 when x is approaching 1. Then what we can do, we have limit of x minus 1 over x minus 1 plus x ln x, which will be, when you find out the derivative of numerator and denominator, it's going to be 1 over 1 plus derivative of x ln x is going to be ln x plus x over x, which is going to be like that. So that's going to be 1 over, this is 1, this is going to be 1, so 2 plus ln x when x is approaching 1. That's the limit. So that's going to be 1 over 2 plus 0, which is going to be 1 over 2. So that's going to be the final answer to this question using L'Hopital's rule when you're dealing with intermediate form of infinity minus infinity. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.